safety and enjoy for a ride, which will be 2 times around the zoo. Please stay seated for the whole entire ride. Your hands and feet and arms inside coach area and feet on the floor, please. Thanks.
What do you think, Miles? Whoa. Choo-choo. Wave hi!